Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Hot Rod Workshop. Today, there's not much going on in the shop. I'm actually waiting on parts and whatnot, so we're gonna take some time and clean up the shop a little bit and organize a little bit. Hey, can you find a place for this, please? All right, I think that'll work out pretty well. We used 3/4 inch aluminum plate for the base, cut 3/4 inch holes for the Delaware tips to sit in. That's why I cut a 3/4 inch hole inside the tool itself with this kind of storage setup in mind. Went a little extreme with the hex key there for the set screw. I don't know. I figured I always have a box full of these of things that I've assembled in the past, so I figured why not find a use for it. So there you go. So we cut down some aluminum pipe, cut a section out. Just had to hit this with a boring bar just a tad for it to saddle the corking tool pretty nicely. Tacked that in place, figured out what the height was going to be to make it nice and equal, and cut a piece of 3/4 inch angle to make the base level and have enough space for the dies to sit in there snug. And I got plenty of space for future dies. Now, of course, things like this take time, and a lot of people don't have the time to do something like this. This is, of course, overkill. You could do this with wood much quicker, but the overall goal here is it's where it is. I know where it is when I need it. It's nice and consolidated. I have a place for future dies for when I make them. And that makes all the difference when you're in a rush, you're in a hurry, you got to get something out the door, or your schedule's real tight and you got to get something done quickly. You know exactly where everything is when you need it. Organization is key. But until next time, thanks for watching.